Magandang Taytay Leho. My name is Fimjin Lagos Katulong. I am 33 years old. I am from Bachucan, Libungan North, Cotabato, Philippines. I am married but separated. I have one daughter and she is 12 years old. My highest educational attainment is a caregiving services in C2. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, gardening, and singing. I love dog. I have one dog in the house. Her name is Elsie. My expertise are childcare and doing household chores. I work as a housemaid for 3 years and 7 months from September 2008 until April 2012. I serve one couple and 4 children ages 20, 18, 14, and 10. My main duties are to take care of them, cleaning, cooking, gardening, doing laundry, ironing, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family, especially for the future of my daughter. I am willing to take good care of the elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, hair moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. To my future employer in Hong Kong, Ma'am, Sir, please choose me because I am hardworking, responsible, kind, trustworthy, and obedient. I promise to be a good housemaid, to prioritize my job, and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir, and I'm looking to work with you as soon as possible.